Hi, my name's Tom. This is the Couple Game Sweet Night Cards deck. It is a Truth or Dare card set. There are 50 cards in total. There are 25 truths and 25 dares. Let me tell you all about them. So here's what the cards look like. As you can see, they're all the same on the back. You cannot tell which is a truth and which is a dare. But then the truths themselves actually say truth at the top, or they go ahead and they say dare at the top, and then they go ahead and they have your question. Again, there are 25 of each. You don't know which. You can shuffle them up. You can take turns drawing. You can go back and forth. You can say truth or dare. These cards are definitely for couples. They are for people who have a relationship, who are couples, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. I played around with my wife a little bit. She liked them. Some of them are very, very explicit. Some are a little less explicit, but they are for adults and they are for couples. Now, another cool thing about them is they are not gender specific. They will always use the word partner. Sometimes a little bit tricky here and there depending upon what it says, but you always use the word partner. Obviously, you don't have to do all the cards. They are a slick plastic card. They are a solid card. It's not like a little flimsy piece of paper. They are pretty good. So let me just show you kind of what ones. Here's a truths. What is your best kept intimate secret? And then here's a dare. Talk dirty to each other for 2 minutes. You get the idea. Those are the mildest ones I could possibly find in this deck. So you will go through a lot of these. You will go ahead and get some good ideas with these. They're kind of fun. They're neat. It's a neat idea. They are fun cards. They're perfect for Valentine's Day or anniversaries or anything where we're going to spice up stuff. They're just kind of a fun little simple card. They are the size of regular card decks, so they're really easy to kind of put into a nightstand or kind of hide away in a pocket. You don't have to. They don't take up a lot of space. Just kind of put them in. And again, there is a little box that comes in, and they all go in here real nice. I really kind of like that. I like when things have boxes. I don't need rubber bands or anything. So overall, this is a pretty fun card deck. I was sent these to go ahead and tell you all about them. That's what I've done. We played around with them a little bit, and I can say, hey, they're fun. They have some neat questions. They're not always unique questions, but they do have definitely 25 unique truths, 25 unique dares. Some things I've seen other places, but these are very, very spicy. So these are very, very explicit, spicy cards. They're not something you're going to play with a friend. This is definitely for couples. But overall, a lot of fun. Really, really nice. I like the packaging. Highly recommended.